Hi, today we're going to show you how to give yourself a home facial massage the proper way with one of these. Hey, I'm Sue and this is Leslie, our skincare expert, and we are here to give you easy tips to get the best skin of your life. Now these things, they look cool, they feel great, but what are they really for?
It's a great question. The purpose of a facial roller is actually to help promote circulation and stimulate lymphatic drainage to eliminate puffiness. And they can also work to relieve tension lines. You know, our faces move a lot as we're talking throughout the day. We make a lot of expressions, which can settle into areas where we move a lot around the mouth, for example, maybe the forehead. And by using a facial roller, you can help to release some of that muscle tension a little bit.
Great, great. Okay, so what are some of the products that work best with this?
So I like to prepare my skin with products before I use my facial roller, and I stick to products like concentrates or serums, something that's lightweight and absorbs easily, but that still gives you a little bit of play to roll over. Some moisturizers work really well, and even sheet masks.
Okay.
So we're gonna do a little massage that helps to promote lymphatic drainage as well as circulation. We're gonna start from the middle of our face. So you can place the roller sort of along the chin, and we're gonna roll across the cheek upward towards the ears. And then when we get there, you're gonna repeat that same motion again. You're gonna pick the roller up and work back towards the ear again. And then same thing across the cheek, underneath the cheekbone, out towards the ear. What you're not gonna do is seesaw back and forth. So I'm always picking the roller up and rolling from the middle of the face outward. Get right underneath that cheekbone to really create a nice contour. And what that's doing is it's following the natural circulation patterns of the face. So it's working with the circulation rather than against it. We're gonna do the same thing on the forehead, rolling from the middle of the forehead back towards the temple or the ears.
Yep.
And you don't wanna place too much pressure into the roller. You wanna let the roller kind of do its own work.
Okay.
And if you find that you are putting too much pressure, just hold the roller a little further back towards the smaller end, and that'll give you a little bit of a lighter pressure and really let the roller do its thing. It should glide.
Because you don't want to tug your skin.
No, you never want to pull your skin.
Right.
And then the next part we're gonna go into is for puffiness under the eyes. So I like to use the smaller end to get into the under eye contour and just roll from the corner, sort of working from the inner corner backwards towards the temple. Again, using very light pressure. You want to be gentle under the eyes. And then the same thing above the eyelid. Exactly, kind of following the natural contour of the eye socket.
Okay, so right on the eyelid.
Yes, exactly. And then another tip for that smaller end is to really get into some of the areas where we tend to have a lot of muscle tension, like between the brows for those 11s. So you can do a gentle kind of rolling between the brows to relax those muscles, release the line a little bit. And same thing from the corner of the nose, working downwards towards the corner of the mouth. Exactly.
I have a line to follow there.
There you go.
It's very easy to see.
So just follow that line. And then the last step is the jawline. So you want to work again from the point of the chin, kind of almost cushioning the jaw outwards towards the ear.
Oh, see, now that feels really good for me. I clench my teeth when I sleep.
Oh yeah.
So that is amazing for
that'll
easing
help
that
to
up.
release for sure. So to finish, you're just gonna continue rolling along the jaw and then go downwards on the neck. And rolling downwards on the neck really helps to promote all that lymphatic drainage because it follows the natural circulation pattern of the body. So just outward and downward. What I usually recommend with facial rollers is to keep them cool. Yeah, so you can pop it in the fridge for a couple minutes before you go to use it, or some people do store it in the fridge. And keeping the roller cool is actually gonna help you see a quicker effect when it comes to depuffing, especially for the under eye area.
Thank you so much, Leslie. I can't wait to go home and do the other side of my face.
My pleasure. If you'd like to know more about skincare or how to build an anti-aging skincare routine, I invite you to join me for a free webinar that I'll be hosting. By clicking on the link in the description box below, you can sign up to receive an email about all of the information for the next upcoming webinar so that you can join us for free.
Fantastic. As well, make sure you come back here every week. Join Leslie and I as we give you more great skincare tips so that you can get the best skin of your life. With regard to this week, if you have any questions or tips, any experiences with a facial roller, we would love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.